Welcome back to our Health Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips, and suggestions on how to live a healthier and happier life using natural methods and remedies. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel and be sure to click the like and share button. Roasted shrimp and poblano salad. This is a great healthy meal that will help you get through your day. Ingredients: 2 medium shallots, 3 poblano peppers, 1 tablespoon canola oil, 2 teaspoons chili powder, 4 radishes, 1 lime, 1 avocado, 1 pound large shell devine shrimp, 1 5-ounce container mixed greens. Directions: 1. Heat oven to 450 F. Slice 2 medium shallots. Remove the seeds from 3 poblano peppers, then slice. 2. On baking sheet, toss shallots and poblano peppers with 1 tablespoon canola oil and 2 teaspoons chili powder. Roast for 20 minutes. 3. Slice 4 radishes and thinly slice 1 avocado. Set aside. From 1 lime, squeeze 3 tablespoons juice and set aside. 4. Once peppers have been in the oven for 20 minutes, add 1 pound large shell devine shrimp to the baking sheet. Return to oven and roast for 5 minutes. Cool slightly. If you like our channel, share with your friends, press the like button and let us know if you like this recipe. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.